So let us now discuss about the directions of these magnetic fields. See, when you are calculating this B value, the magnitude and direction both are important. So I am taking a bar magnet and I am considering the point P at a very long distance. So the formula says B axial is equal to 2k m by r cube, and I am drawing the vector direction. This k here I am assuming as mu naught by 4 pi. So whatever in this, remember, whatever direction of m is a vector magnetic moment, the same will be direction of the axial B value. So the direction of m is from south to north. Outside, see, magnetic lines go from north to south outside, inside from south to north. So south to north inside will be the magnetic field direction, magnetic moment direction. So the axial, if you take any point along the axial line, the direction will be matching with this direction. However, if you take the equatorial point, it will be opposite of that. Alright, B equatorial, it is km by r cube with a minus sign. So south to north, if it is the direction of the magnetic moment, for the equatorial it will be opposite of that. Okay, so just you need to find here m means the net m value. Okay, let's say I kind of orient this bar magnet like this. So this becomes my axial and this becomes my equatorial. So here the direction will be like this. For the equatorial, the direction will be like this. Assuming that this point is at the same distance from, I am assuming that this is x, this is also x. In this case, this is x and this is also x. Alright. So if I reverse the polarity, this is north, this is south, the actual direction will be in this direction. South to north will be my m direction. And what will be my equatorial direction? It will be from left to right, as shown in the diagram. If I kind of incline it north south like this, so this is the direction of axial, this is my axial and this is my equatorial. Okay, so here if this is making theta with the x-axis, this also will make theta in the x-axis, but the direction will be reverse. So this is south to north is in this direction, so equatorial field, net field direction will be in this direction. So these are small points, just try to remember. Okay.